Hello, my name is Luba Smal. I am an immigration attorney and have been practicing U.S. immigration law since 2004. Today, I will briefly describe the process of a new parole in place, a program of family reunification, which was announced on June 17 this year, 2024, and it became effective on Monday, August 19, 2024. So this program is already in effect and you can start preparing and submit your applications for parole in place. Yesterday I was on a call with USCIS and that's why I decided to post this brief video, and I hope that it will be helpful to you and you will find some useful information here. First of all, USCIS explained that you can file this application for parole in place only online. You cannot submit it by mail. They also warn people from using notarios or different unauthorized consultants and recommended that people either do it themselves after creating online cabinet or account at their website my.uscis.gov or used help of a professional licensed attorney. Another note, they specifically said that you will have to e-sign, it means electronically sign your application yourself, and you cannot do it from your attorney's computer. So for example, if you and your attorney sitting in the same office and you don't have your own computer, you cannot use your attorney's computer. They will be verifying that IP address is different. The form itself is not that complicated. However, the process is going to be complicated. That's not guaranteed that your application will be approved. That's a main point that USCIS representatives explained. This is discretionary application. It means it's in their discretion, approve you or deny you, and it can go either way. First of all, you have to meet all the requirements in the new law. And second of all, it's in their discretion. One of the things that they recommended is submitting a personal statement. And in my practice dealing with different applications, it's been always very helpful to have a personal statement, explain your situation, explain why your application has to be approved, especially in the situation, where it can go either way. So first of all, this new program of parole in place is designed for those people who came to United States without inspection. So you were not admitted, you were not paroled, you didn't come on a visa, you just crossed the border. Second, you are legally married to US citizen. And legally married, it means it's a real marriage, it's a legal valid marriage, and also all your previous marriages were dissolved and your spouse's previous marriages were dissolved. The marriage must have taken place before June 17, 2024, this year. However, you must have been physically present and residing in the United States for at least 10 years before June 17, 2014. So 10 years before. And also they will be scheduling you for biometrics. It means they will take your fingerprints, photo, signature sample, and they will run the background checks on everyone. And if it will come up that you had some criminal history, it depends on your criminal history. Some people can still be approved, but some people will be denied because of the criminal history. And the examples of what situations, what crimes or charges can lead to a denial, USCIS explained, of course, it's all felonies, they said, and they named also crimes of domestic violence, stalking, aggravated assault, among other crimes. Also, they have to declare you that you don't present public safety concerns. You don't have criminal history, you're legally married to your citizen, you've been in the United States for over 10 years, and you warrant favorable exercise of discretion. Like I explained before, this is discretionary. And from my point of view, dealing with different applications in different programs, because this is a new program, I say that creating a very smart and very personal statement, your personal history, and explaining and basically advocating for yourself, or having an attorney help you to prepare the statement, that will be a very crucial moment. Also, among the evidence, and that USCIS stressed out that they will be paying attention to that, you will need to prove that you continuously resided in the United States for 10 years. So that might be difficult for some people. Another group of people who can benefit under this new program are stepchildren of the US citizens. Stepchildren, it means they are children of the spouse who might be applying also under this program. Stepchild, they describe stepchild who qualifies under this program as somebody who is, first of all, unmarried, second of all, was under age 21 on June 17, 2024. So maybe you already turned 21. But if you turn 21 after June 17, 2024, you can still qualify, and you're still unmarried. And then another thing is that the parent is married to US citizen before June 17, 2024. And at the time when your parent married your US citizen step-parent, you child were under 18. That's another moment, that you were 18 on the date when your parents got married, on this specific date. And also the same things apply. You have to have clean criminal record and not to be danger to public safety, and your case has to be decided on all totality of the circumstances and favorable exercise of discretion. Personal statement also is highly recommended for you. USCIS yesterday on the call recommended proceeding in a certain way. They said if in the family there is a parent who is going to apply and there are children who are going to apply, parent should apply first. Parent applies online. Once you apply online, you will have a case number. And then you will have a receipt, you will have case number, priority date, and you will give your case number to your children, and they will apply providing your receipt number. And that will help you to tie all your cases together. So it's not like, one of you approved, one of you is denied. You will be, each application is judged on its own merits, but you will go sort of like a family unit, because children will have the parent case number. In some cases, maybe parent already has green card, or parent is not going to apply. In this case, children can apply by themselves without parent's application. And the form to use for this parole in place is a new form which was just recently created. A form number is I-131F, letter F, 131F. This form can be submitted only online, and the filing fee is $580, and you pay it either from your bank account, credit card, debit card, online. If you have any questions or need help with this new process, please contact me, and I will leave all my contact information in the first comment to this video. I hope it's been helpful and you can use this information to apply for your parole in place. Thank you. Bye-bye.